don't care, dude.
Alright, what's up guys? On today's video, we're doing a fuel pump swap in James's 2011 STI. Show them what we got, James.
Alright, so we got a 340 liters per hour high flow AEM fuel pump.
And we're going to install it today. So let's get right to it. Alright, so the first step, fuel pump assembly is underneath the rear seat, so we're going to have to take out this bottom cushion. So it appears that there's two clips, one on each corner. Alright, so we're taking out the clip. We'll hold the seat down, put your finger in the clip, lift up, that one's out. One there. That just, one in the middle just pulls out. And then we'll come to the other corner. Alright, right in the corner here, find the thing with my finger. Alright, there's the clip. Push it down, pull straight towards the front of the car, lift up, and it just pulls out like that.
Alright, good.
Alright, so here's the black clip. You reach under with your finger, pull it forwards like that, and then lift up the seat. There's one here, one on the other corner, and then the center one, you just pull straight up, and the seat comes right out. Alright, so we've just taken out the seat, and the fuel pump is right under here. So it looks like we got 4 Phillips screws to take out, and then we'll pull this cover off. Alright, so you take the screws out and the cover just lifts up. Careful with the wires.
Alright, so let's see what we got. We got some little sockets. We gotta go get a socket. Alright guys, so we got everything unplugged and we got all the fuel lines off, so now you just pop it out. Oh! There's the rag out. Give me the rag! Dude, just pull it up straight. I know we got a little gas going on. It was filled.
This brake's already soaked.
Dude, it's like stuck. I'm filming, look out.
Dang, I thought I was filming.
Alright guys, so we just got this out after, what is that?
That's the loadie. That's your low fuel sensor.
Hopefully we don't get struck by lightning while we're working with fuel.
Want to do this inside? Or is AC? Dude, that's a fuel tank right there.
Dude, I'm gonna be having a feedback knock for the next month after getting that in the gas tank. Alright. Got this one.
Okay, you get those two, I'll go with these two.
Okay. Oh.
There we go. Oh. Oh, there we go. So it's just a little
finesse.
Yeah, a little finesse.
That's all it takes. Let that fuel drain. What?
It's on the floor. Why is it on the floor?
What's on the floor?
It's leaking out of here. This must be. Here, let's pour it back into the tank.
Alright.
Here, you take that, pour it back into the tank. But hold it. There's a hole in the bottom.
Why is there a hole?
Because we just pulled this thing out.
Oh.
That's why it was. This is like a little rubber seal and it holds it. Here's our old fuel filter and the pump. So now we just gotta take this stuff out.
You want me to get the pliers?
Yeah.
Okay.
These things will like go flying across the room. We gotta make sure we don't lose them.
So it's not like that. These little things, let's get it in focus.
That's one. I don't see any others.
Little tiny clips like that.
How many are there?
inside the fuel tank. Is that a bad idea?
Alright, we got it. It's coming out.
So basically you gotta pop that little E-clip off. There's one clip on this side, and then this little black clip comes out. And there's still a wire. Is that a clip too? Don't break it. Alright, Evan, so what are you doing now?
Alright, so I just took this clip off of the fuel pump, and now there's just 2 more clips holding the fuel pump in. Looks like we just gotta push them in on each side.
Yeah, just do it, I did. Oh god, you just cracked it. Now it is. Alright, since Evan doesn't know what he's doing, all you gotta do is take a screwdriver, put pressure on the top, and it'll just pop straight out. Don't even try to open the clips. The clips will go by themselves. So, you got that old, ugly looking OEM fuel filter out. Now we gotta get the AEM one, drop it in.
Alright, so what are the specs on this AEM filter?
340 liters per hour at 40 psi, compatible with gas, ethanol, and methanol. So if I want to go E85, which I do eventually, it's a good pump. Probably gonna get some 1000cc injectors in the near future, so there's that as well.
Alright, so here's the new fuel pump. We grabbed this black piece off of the old one, and we're gonna put it over. It's like that, and it came with a new O-ring. And I think we just set it on like that, and then we'll just snap this into place into the white plastic piece. So what do we have to do? We have to put 2 O-rings.
Dude, I don't even know if this is right, but possibly.
We're gonna go with it. We're putting 2 O-rings on the top.
Line them back.
There we go. Clipped in. It's a little bit of a pain.
A little bit?
Yep. Alright. Not upside down this time. Last time we tried putting it in upside down.
That's the right way, right?
Yep. Alright. Alright, put the clip in. It's like, ow. That hurt.
You got it?
No, it's not in all the way. Yeah, okay, there we go. Alright, clips in. Alright guys, so we just finished reassembling all of these parts. So when everything's apart, well there's these 2 hoses here that you need to take off. There's the wiring you need to take off, and the AEM fuel pump comes with 2 O-rings, and both of those O-rings we've read go on top of the filter. Here's the old one.
Not the filter.
The fuel pump, they both go on top here. There's a little black piece that goes on bottom, and then you put the 2 O-rings on top. And then you just press the pump back into the housing, put the 2 hoses on, and you line up with the holes. You have this E-clip right here that you put on that holds everything together. You can do the wiring. This gray wire goes on that clip there, and the plug's in there. And then you take this little circular clip off of the that holds the filter on off the old one, and you put that on the new one. And now we're ready to put this back in this housing here. It does appear that this green fuel filter is a little bit big, so I think it will just fold over and should be fine. So we'll place this back in here. It only goes on one way, and appears like this way, just like that.
Yeah.
There's 4 clips.
Oh wait, the plug.
Yeah, the plug will go in after.
Okay.
Yeah, move this
Might as well
over.
just do it now.
All right, 1, 2. Something's not right. All right, so we just got the seal and the clamps back on, and we are putting the
We're just gonna put 2 nuts on, dude.
nuts on just to hold it down.
Just put 2 on, and then we can test it later.
You have to make sure to get the rubber seal around the white fuel pump housing.
Is that okay? Just put 2 on and test it?
Yeah.
Go. 12 seconds left. Please start. All right, go. 12 seconds left. Please start.